So I want to talk about planes, and I want to talk about the way you set up model in place. So I'm just going to go into model in place and cancel that. And just click walls second. Doesn't matter at the minute. And I just want to show how you set up actual planes. So there's a few different ways to actually do it. And I'm going to click up the plane there. And I want to select a reference plane as well. And you actually have to name the reference plane, so just call this 1. And the way you set them is go into 3D, and you can see I have a reference line here, and if I want to set them, go to home, as most people add them up there if you're doing a lot, and show, and you might click that is to set the work plane, so name. So I'm going to pick one this time. I can set it to either side, so just tab, I can set it to there, I can set it to the ends, so it's very handy. So I'm actually going to set it to the horizontal one, and if I show it, you can see the reference plane is there. So if I go into extrusion, I can actually draw a box in the way, or if I click the box and I want to change it to a void, and we press cut, it'll actually cut the wall. So that's a handy way of doing it. Another way of doing it is we're going to go and file and see the reference plane, and it's called 1. So I want to set it. So I want to do it by name this time. And click reference plane 1. Open 3D, and you can see the reference plane is there. So the exact same thing again. Extrusion. I'll just leave it in solid this time around. And as you can see, you can draw the extrusion on that plane. We'll just cancel this. So that's the way you fix planes. And if you're in a view and you start an in-place model, that is going to be the actual plane. So if I'm in elevation, sometimes it happens that it doesn't work out, and pick plane is the most one I use. So you can pick planes and walls, it doesn't have to be a reference line, so you just pick, click OK, you can just tab, click, you can see there it has a plane picked. So if the wall is crooked, you can set the plane to that, and then you can put on model text, which is a handy way of doing it. So it'll just fix that plane, and you can mess around with that model text. Just turn that off, and you'll see the model text is on that actual plane then. So I want to talk about in-place modeling in walls. So when you actually create walls and have a sweep on them, they're automatically embedded in the wall, which are called compound walls. Basically, you can't put a void through them. So if I create model in place and I go to walls, and I want to create a sweep. I want to go to 3D and I want to pick path. And then TR for trim, I'll click this. So if you don't actually like where profile, where you have to draw the profile, you can move it. So I move it there. But I want to click finish path. Now we have the option edit or load. But if you edit, you won't have it again. So if you have a few walls and you want the same profile, you're going to definitely want to create a new family and go into profile. So keep going down to profile, and I want to draw a line. I want to draw it at 300. And I want to go way up here. And just start there. This is going on my whole building. It's called Family 2, so we'll load that in. And I want to go into 3D again, and I want to select the profile, and it's Family 2. So I want it's upside down, so 180. And we have the wall. So click yes, and I have the wall. I have the mass on the whole round. So if I move these walls as well, click finish. It moves with it. So if I want to create a void, as you might have a window going through, in place mask again, and go to home, go to solid voids, extrusion, and I want to set a plane. I'm going to pick one, click OK, and I'll just click that wall, and I'll just do a square box here just to show it. Click yes. Basically, when I go to cut geometry, it'll cut it, and it'll cut through the wall as well. So that's the only way. If you have a wall sweep going around, you'll cut the wall, but you won't actually cut the sweep. So this is a way to get around that. So I want to talk about model in place and blend. So I'm going to go to walls, click OK, click OK, and I'm going to go to blend. First of all, I'm going to go to the ground floor, and I am going to draw a square and a rectangle. I'm going to pull this back here, and press DR or trim. I'm going to click at the top, I'm going to the first floor, and I'm going to do rectangle again. This time I'm going to move this side, and pull that back, click yes, and finish model. So going to south, click the wall, hide, and pull your solid blend up, and we want to constrain it to something, so edit, lock it. So go into your 3D, and we'll just hide these first, and then you can see the wall, which is has an angle on it each side. And you can put a dot in that because I put a category in it. So there's my door, it's not coming out perfect, but you can tweak that a bit. So I want to talk about model in place, and we go to roofs. Okay, I want to set up a reference plane here because what I'm going to make, I'm going to call it 1, and I want to set reference plane 1. This line is my work plane, so I go to each view, and I want to make a revolve. So basically, I'm going to set up profile here. Set up a line here first, just know where I'm going. And I'm going to bring back this line and press OF offset. I click this, just got 200. TR or true, doesn't matter. And just going to set up my axis. Just going to do it down the middle. And click finish. Finish model. And I have my rod done around the circle. And that is a roof category.